Hey, what's going on, traders? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to talk about one of my biggest mistakes today, and it's pretty much giving my profits back that I made yesterday. I'm down a little bit over $2,500 now on the day. The full trading day isn't necessarily over. I want to show you this real quick video. I didn't know how to exactly share it, but what I wanted to show you is this video right on over here. Give me one quick second. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys get to see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. But I think that I did an excellent job within the first two trades that I took this morning. I think I did an excellent job being able to successfully just really day trade this ETF. So what I want to show you is, give me one quick second. Here we go. Oh, this is really lagging my system right now. Give me. Here we go. All right, sorry about that. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. And we're going to go right on over here. And I just wanted to show you kind of like this video of the position that I took this morning. You could see that right now it's 7 a.m. You can see on the right-hand corner, it's 7 a.m. So the market has not even opened. I was trading with about 350 shares. This was my second position during pre-market hours. Again, I didn't hold anything overnight. Yesterday, I made a little bit over $2,500. And I thought I was starting the morning off great. This is kind of like a screen recording of what ended up happening. Natural gas was selling off. Degas was pushing up. Locked in profits, $805 within, just a couple minutes of trading. Super nice, super easy, right? And now what I want to show you is the not so pretty part. I think that this is something that can resonate very nicely with a lot of you, especially for those that are just getting started. Yesterday I had a very successful day when it came down to trading. I normally aim for about $750 a day. I've been doing a lot better than that per day because I've been trading natural gas, and natural gas has been extremely volatile, as you guys have been able to see. And because of that volatility, I'm normally able to do extremely well. One of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is, although I've been having extremely great green days, it's not always so pretty, right? So I wanted to show you kind of my mistake today. I continued. I thought I set a stop loss. I went into, I think, 3 meetings. I have one in about 16 minutes as well. And it's Friday. We're trying to close out all the different things that we have going on for our company. And I was just not in a position where I should have been day trading as actively as I should have. I ended up cutting losses on my original position that put me in the red. I was down originally about $200. I retook a position because I thought natural gas ended up hitting its peak. And after I re-entered that position, I ended up, just let me show you. So this is pretty much how I wanted to show you kind of this overall pattern of natural gas and how it's been showing signs of a downtrend pattern. It did a really good job bouncing off the SMA line and it pushed right back up. But altogether, it is showing signs of it making lower lows and lower highs. So I might consider the idea of holding 200 shares, but definitely not my overall position size. As of right now, not on natural gas, but actually on ticker symbol DGAS, you can see my overall exit price point, right? Overall, my current amount that I'm down is $2,700.35. And it's been changing again. Extended hours doesn't officially close for me until 6 p.m. Right now it's 2:16, so I still have about 4 hours to go. I kind of want to let it run a little bit. I'll end up at least cutting losses on about 200 shares. I'll probably leave about 150 shares up in the air because of the pattern that I see on degas and on natural gas. But my mistake today just easily has to be this overall direction. And again, this is going to be difficult to explain, but the overall direction for natural gas during pre-market hours was downtrending. It was trading between the middle and bottom VWAP. It continued to downtrend, and literally right as the market opened, it began to change directions. It started trading between the middle and kind of the middle VWAP and the SMA line, and then it started to bounce off the SMA line and show signs of an uptrend. I really liked how when I posted that I had a red day today, So many of you guys were saying that like, well, last time that he posted, he had a red day, he ended up $1,200 in the green. I really don't think natural gas has the potential to sell off enough for me to end up in the green today. So that's why I felt comfortable. So today being my official red day for 2019, I knew that this day was going to happen, and I knew that it was going to be big just because of how I've been trading. I've been trading a little bit more aggressively, and that's something that I have to admit to myself. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. Again, yes, it sucks. $2,500 is a ton of money. But I made that yesterday, right, with trading. And it's just to show that, like, I'm not trying to justify just because I made that money yesterday that it's okay for me to lose that amount. I definitely still have to manage my risk a little bit better. But what I wanted to share with you guys is that it's all part of the game, and the only way that we're going to be able to grow our accounts is if we can manage how much money we lose. I'm not down $10,000. I'm not down $20,000. I'm down a number that, like, yes, it does suck, but it's a number that I can manage and I can learn from. And I think that's what's most important. So I really just wanted to end this video kind of like sharing that information with you guys. I know that I always talk about how much it is that I'm up and like what led to my success, but I also think it's very important for me to also kind of like showcase kind of like my mindset and like why I ended up like holding my overall position. I saw natural gas and the way that it was headed to be showing somewhat signs of a downtrend, and that was my mistake. I didn't see natural gas to be able to push this much. And that's what led to, my overall position now being down at $2,500. It's as simple as that. It's, again, I was hopeful, I was emotional, I was reluctant to listen to the pattern and to the direction, and something to learn from. There's actually a video that I should be uploading soon. I'm getting in contact with TD Ameritrade, and I'm trying to set up this system that will automatically cut losses regardless if I set a stop loss or not. So we're going to try to see if we can set that in place. And I think that's going to be a very useful tool for a lot of traders that can set a max dollar loss or a max percentage loss per position and take that into consideration. So when next time it comes down to trading, regardless if you're there or not, if you set that specific type of like back end order or kind of like what would that be, like a filter that it'll automatically like manage your risk for you. So as of right now, again, so now it's $2,300, so about $2,400. That's why I just said $2,500 because it keeps changing back and forth. But I wanted to show you the overall 180-day pattern for /NG. /NG showing signs of a resistance right around the SMA line. So it did a really nice job pushing up, but it also made sense on why it can continue to downtrend with its overall, downtrending SMA. And then looking a little bit closer, if we go on the 90-day 1-hour chart, this is pretty much the pattern that we pointed out when it comes down to like the descending resistance and descending support. So it just gave me a little bit of hope that it can continue to downtrend. It just pushed up a lot more than I expected. And again, I was hopeful. I was reluctant to like just understand the patterns, and I was also busy enough that I just didn't pay enough attention to what it was that I was doing, and that was my mistake, and obviously I paid for it. So I want to see if you guys have any messages or any questions. I think that's the easiest way to put it. So DC Slay is saying you win some, you lose some. Outcome is your income. And I think that's what's most important, is as long as consistently we end up in the green and we manage our risk, majority of the time, I think that's what's most important. That's really just it. So I just want to share this with you guys. I hope that this video, you found it somewhat helpful. If you guys did, we'd really appreciate the thumbs up. I wish you guys an absolute just amazing rest of your Friday. I hope you guys kill it this weekend and learn something new. I'm going to be filming a couple fun videos with the guys today here at the TechBuds house. It's going to be more like funny videos of that has to do like with girls and stuff like that. If you guys don't want to watch that, then you probably don't want to watch tomorrow's video. But if you guys do, again, I think it's funny, and it's going to be like lighthearted and just for more entertainment purposes, because it's going to be Saturday tomorrow. So I wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. Continue working hard, continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. I'm getting the alert that natural gas is selling off. So where are we at right now? We're still down a decent amount, so 2,300. So this one isn't moving much as of right now. So we're still down about $2,400 on the day. But thank you guys again for your time. Hope I earned your thumbs up. Again, if you guys want to stay connected, our free Facebook group is that first link in the description. We have a little bit over 184,000 members. We'd love to be a part of your success. Like always, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be a judge and success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note.